стар алеж.
So we have Piggy Azalea in first place at the moment, with Albert Swinestad in second, Harry Styles in third. Again, Albert Swinestad in second, Harry Styles in third, and Hannah Anderson in fourth. They're loving that in fourth. Through the turn they go, heading towards the chicane.